Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Today, Judge Flesher is dealing with a 19-year-old who's facing several serious assault charges. While in jail, this guy made things worse by threatening people who are supposed to testify against him. That's a big mistake, and Judge Flesher doesn't take this kind of behavior lightly. Even though the teen is in serious trouble, his whining in court about not having his phone or a TV, basically acting immature. But this just shows how serious it is to try and scare witnesses. Doing that can lead to even more charges. What do you think about this case? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep going.
Come on, it's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Fortnite? Come on, man. I'm itching to go play. Judge. Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases where we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant and say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money.
This whole situation is just wild. Not only is the guy threatening witnesses in his case, but he's also openly talking about future crimes. It's like he doesn't even care. Honestly, this guy just seems reckless and clueless. I can't wait to see how Judge Flesher reacts after the prosecutor lays everything out. What do you think the judge should do while this guy waits for trial? Taking his phone seems obvious, but is that enough? Share your thoughts. Let's jump back in.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
She just told you.
Not even.
Please stop.
So.
And I just want to read.
Please go ahead.
He's 19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but until I know that you're not a threat, I mean.
He's typing everything.
Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court, and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality.
I actually feel a bit bad for the defense lawyer. You can tell she's struggling. There's really no good way to defend someone who's threatening witnesses. Her best argument is that he's only 19 and wants to talk to his family, but that doesn't really hold up in court. Especially since he's got assault charges and is hanging around gang members, T19. You should know better. Especially when it comes to the LAW. You think the defense made a good point, or should Judge Flesher be tougher on him? Let's keep watching.
Well, I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness that this is about the ag assault involving a firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
as far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
Okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So.
No.
So I did, dude. That's so stupid.
Well, we'll get the tapes and.
Get it? We'll see.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. You know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. You got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say anything.
He's typing everything
then
you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand. He's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things.
What's your take on this case? Was Judge Flesher too easy on him, or was there nothing more the judge could really do? Sure, taking away his phone might stop him from threatening people for now, but that doesn't fix the bigger problem. This guy clearly isn't learning, and he just keeps making things worse for himself. The truth is, if someone keeps making bad choices like this, especially with serious charges like assault and witness intimidation, it's hard to believe they'll turn things around. Witness intimidation is a big deal and can lead to a longer sentence. At this rate, it looks like he's heading for a long time behind bars. Do you think there's still hope for him, or is it too late? Was the judge fair, or would you have done something different? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I post new content every day. See you in the next one.